So, if you're in a situation where the handle mechanism is not working correctly, as in this case, and the adjustment assembly has come undone, like that, and that is the reason why this happens, this is what to do. So, first thing, slide the gate back to the back of the runner. Find yourself somewhere to put the parts when you take it apart in a minute. Tools you need, and some 10mm spanners. First thing, undo the center mounting bolt on the catch mechanism. Careful to preserve the nut and the bolt. Take the bolt and the nut off. Put it somewhere safe. Now, control the spring on the sleeve inside. Lift the mechanism of the catch out. Then take the sleeve and the spring out as well. Now there is the adjustment mechanism which has come loose. It should sit into that hole there and act on the back of this catch mechanism. So the aim of the thing is to readjust it. And to do that, we use the 2 lock nuts there. So the first thing is to run this lock nut back until it's touching this box section. And the way you check the adjustment is this piece of the catch should be parallel with these 2 bars here. So you just check that it's parallel. Do the second lock nut up, the other side of the box section. One on there, one on there. Lock it up. Check the adjustment again, make sure it's still parallel and that it's free to move. So that's good to go. We can go back in now. So reassembly. Put the liner over that adjuster, put the spring on top, put the catch in its position. Now, start the bolt on the back in the hole at the back, and then pushing the catch back, jiggle the bolt through the hole. Put the lock nut on. When you do the lock nut up, you need at least 1 thread showing through the plastic of the lock nut. So just fill that up. There's 1 thread showing. And check the handle still works. Check the mechanism completely works while I'm trying it on the gate.